Yo, what's up mga kaguhit? May hapon sa yung tanan. So karon ang adlaw sa among Battle of the Bands. Yo, what's up mga kaguhit? Nanami diri sa backstage, diri sa Advance sa Christy King, diri ang Battle of the Band mga kaguhit. Kaubanan ako mga banda. So sa likod, apa? Hoy, hi mo. Mga kabanda, mga kabanda.
Hi! Wow, such a nice camera, very small.
Thank you. So shout out sa tanan mga banda. Good luck sa inyo mga kaguhit. No, kita-kita ta. So stage. So tangin nyo mga kaguhit, bye-bye.
And next, please join us on stage. You will receive a
Congrats.
certificate of participation. Please allow me to read the citation of the certificate. Local government unit of Hipoo that presents the certificate of appreciation. Band is grateful appreciation for sharing their talents and joining the EGC Battle of the Bands held at the Hermosa in Carpelon in front of CPC, given the speaker's game out tonight.
Oh mga kaguhit, mga ni.
By Senator Eric G. Camiosa. Congratulations, please direct your attention to our official photographer first and smile. On to our next consolation winner. Congratulations and thank you for joining this year's competition. We have Heads and Shoulders.
Thank you.
Nice, thank you. No, thank you. Ako lang ipa-plus tayo para ugma.
Congratulations, Heads and Shoulders. Quick photo offers. To our official photographer, please, and smile. Moving forward to our next consolation winner. Congratulations to Light Air Tracks.
Congrats mga kaguhit, nakadawat ha. Thank you sa akong mga badmates. Thank you Ingog City, thank you. Oh, di ba tayo mamahay? 5,000 consolation.
1,000?
Oh, certificate na yun. Congrats. Shoulder.
Ito na ipakono?
Congrats. Ha?
Ito na ipakono ba? Ilang minute pa? Ilang minute na?
Nakalaminit na. Alright, mga to babae.